Okay, we got our head here. We've worked on the mouth. I still have to make some adjustments on the mouth to get this to fit the way I want it to fit. What we're going to do now is we're going to take some of this out in here in the back, down through here, so our spring won't catch on the wood when we attach our spring. The back of the head, you got to take some out in here, down through here, so our string won't catch on this when we attach our string. So we're going to work on that for now. We're going to use our Dremel cutter here. So you can see where we're taking that out into the middle there. We're going to take a lot more of that out. And then on the back of the head, you can see how we're grooving this out in here. So we're going to keep working on both of these, and then we'll come back with the next step. If you enjoy my videos, please like and subscribe on my YouTube page. I'd appreciate it. And if you have any questions or comments, put them in my comment section, and I'll get back with you. Thanks for watching.